Welcome back. In this video I'll be showing you how to change your default applications in Windows 10. This means you'll be able to change your default email app, video player, music player, web browser as well as others. Firstly, go to your settings by searching for it in the search bar or clicking the settings icon in the start menu. In the settings, click on apps and then find default apps from the list on the left. In here, you'll be able to see all your current default applications. You can click on each to change them. For example, when you click on Mail, you can change it to Microsoft Outlook. You can also search for other default applications in the Microsoft Store at the bottom of the options list. If you want to revert the changes you made, perhaps in the future, you can click on Reset to the Microsoft recommended defaults at the bottom. And that's it. Hopefully the video helped. If it did, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in another video.